What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we have a vent netch catching or debris catching, whatever you want to call it, or you could call it a toy catcher. Because when you look inside of the vent, mainly kids put toys and stuff inside of the vent. All types of stuff falls in vents. I don't know why. It just does. All right, so right here is a vent mesh trap right here. So we're gonna go ahead and check this out. This one is for a 10-inch. It's just a regular net, you guys. It's not like, it's not hard or anything. It's just a regular net. Now from the instructions, or per instructions, they put it right on top of the vent itself and then put it inside. So you have to put it on the vent first. Okay. All right, you guys. So let's go ahead. Let's just check this out, see how it goes, and watch the install and be done with it. All right, you guys. So it fit on top of my bathroom vent, in which I need a new bathroom vent because this one is severely dented, like dented up very badly. All right, and it's old, it's hard to turn, so the corners is kind of bent out, but it's still good though. It fits, but I'm definitely now in the market for some vents. It actually looks good in there. All right, so that's pretty cool. Now you gotta need coins that fall in, anything falls in, it can be caught. So that's good. And we lift it up, it's still attached. All right, so that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.